Words that start with the letter O, P, Q, and R. O. Ocean. The ocean is the body of salt water that covers most of the earth. Octagon. An octagon is a shape with 8 sides and 8 corners. Otter. An otter has webbed feet and dark brown fur and lives in or near the water. Oval. An oval is a shape like a circle that has been flattened a bit. Oven. An oven is used for baking and heating. Owl. An owl is a bird with large eyes and strong claws that is active at night. Paw. A paw is the foot of an animal that has claws and pads. Pentagon. A pentagon is a shape with 5 sides and 5 corners. Petal. A petal is a colourful leaf of a flower. Photograph. A photograph is a picture taken by a camera. Picnic. A picnic is a meal that is eaten outside. Pillow. A pillow is a soft cushion for the head when lying down. Pilot.
This is your captain.
A pilot is a person who steers a plane or a ship. Pocket. A pocket is a small bag in clothing for carrying things. Pour. To pour, you make something like water flow. Puzzle. A puzzle is a toy or game you put together to see a bigger picture. Queen. A queen is a woman who rules a kingdom. Question. A question is something that is asked to get information. Quiet. It is quiet when there is very little sound. Quilt. A quilt is a blanket with different types of cloth. Race. A race is when people run against each other to get somewhere first. Rake. A rake is a tool with a long handle and prongs used to gather things. Ramp. A ramp is a slope that makes it easier to get from one level to another. Rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. Refrigerator. A refrigerator keeps food and drinks cool. Restaurant. A restaurant is a building where you can buy and eat meals. River. A river is a stream of flowing water. Road. A road is where vehicles like cars can drive. Robot. A robot is a machine that can move and do things by itself. Rocket. A rocket is a tube that flies in the air or into space. Roof. A roof covers the top of a building. Roots. Roots are the underground parts of a plant that absorb water and minerals.